Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Initial Project. And we're standing in front of the silver AE today.
Yeah, it's all about sharing the love around when you have so many. So today we're going to work on this.
Yep.
I actually picked up something kind of special.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's have a look at it. Are you ready?
Yep.
What are they, Renan?
Do you want to turn around? I know what those are.
Yeah, so I managed to track down another set of retractable fog lights. And so today we're going to do a little video on installing them and mounting them to the bumper. Yeah, pretty much get them going.
Sweet.
So then we can be representing 2 retractable fog lights, because that's what we do, right?
Yes, you hoard all of the rare JDM parts.
Yeah, if I don't, someone else will.
That's true.
Yeah. So this particular model is not actually Toyota ones, but the writing that was actually on is real faded and it was sort of, didn't look very nice. And since they're going on MJ's car, she's a girl, she always wants more girly stuff. And it's really quite hard because the car is such an old classic car. How do you make it more girly without painting it pink? So I thought, pink Toyota.
Makes sense.
Yeah, just that little something that stands out but it's not in your face and looks gross.
Definitely. It looks really good. Just subtle, and that black vinyl just to go over the top of that.
Yeah,
really sets it off.
But like a satin black, so it wasn't like really glossy.
Yeah, so it doesn't even stand out. All you see is just like the Toyota and the Wii logo down the bottom there.
Yeah, yeah.
Sweet. Well, who's going to wire those up?
Well, that's your job, Renan. But I'm going to do the install.
I didn't sign up. You always invite me around just to do wiring. When do I get to do something fun on my car?
When you buy that fun car, we'll work on that one together. But until then...
You can do this on your own, mate.
We just went down to the J car and bought some electrical stuff. So Renan's going to get started on that. I'm just going to finish on these brackets as I know how I need to mount them from doing the other car. Cut my little bolts down. And yeah, we'll get into it, eh?
Sweet, sounds good.
Yeah, let's do this. Let's make them glow. What did we learn from last time doing this?
What did we learn from last time doing this?
I don't know. That it's not an overly hard job.
No.
But, worst part is just getting the wires from A to B, really, eh? So, I found the best place to mount these is actually up under the bumper. There's a little flat spot right where the bolts go in.
Oh, yeah.
So how's work on the project car? Renan?
Yeah. Well, it's behind the camera.
Yeah.
With not much happening to it.
I really need to spend a little bit more time on that. I need to stop buying random stuff and
Yeah,
getting
it's your
distracted.
fault buying car parts for other cars that we can't work on that. Because we only had so much time per week.
I know, it's hard finding the time.
Stop buying rare JDM parts.
I need to stop getting offered good JDM parts that I can't say no to.
I think you can say no, you just say no.
I don't think I can. I'm addicted. Not to drugs, but to this.
I think you need help.
And I like shiny things, and fog lights are shiny.
You're a bloody magpie. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. It's gonna make or break my day. Ooh. Oh, it's good.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, it is so good. Wow. You can see the droopiness on this one a little bit. It's right there on the lid. Either that might have fixed it or made it worse.
Well, there's one way to find out.
Yeah, it's a little bit. Go back up. It is what it is. Yeah. Yeah. It looks good. Yeah, I wouldn't mark it. Oh, you can run and I'll show you what it looks like.
Yeah.
I wouldn't bother even trying to fix it.
Oh, really?
It works.
Yeah.
It just goes one side slightly before the other.
All right. Yeah, bring her in, mate. Oh, come back.
Shit.
Just a nice bit of guard rub, isn't there?
Yep. Yeah, so why is there guard rub?
It's your car, mate. You tell us. You put the wrong tyre on.
Wrong tyre and too low.
But that's low life, isn't it?
It's the low life, yeah.
Oh, well.
We finally got around to putting on my wide and long champs that I bought about a year ago now, and they've literally sat in my wardrobe ever since.
So what size and offset are they?
They are on the rear 14 by 9 minus 27, and on the front 14 by 8.5 minus 21. So pretty aggressive. You definitely need widened guards well, I've got steel on this particular one.
Yeah, so I guess, was it the old school thing of cutting the front guards of the AEs and then welding them onto the rears, right?
Yeah, but in this instance, they're more aggressive than that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So these ones don't have the fronts on the rear. They've just got some custom widened rear. That when I purchased this car, I panel beated back to get a sort of a truer line. But clearly, by the sounds of it, I might have left a few things hanging down.
Yeah, so you might need to do a bit of a touch up just in the back corner there.
Yeah, just this one side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds like a cheese grater.
Yeah, hasn't been sounding the best. But
Low life.
exactly. We've all been there. We've all put our cars a bit too low than we should have.
Yeah. However, the fog lights.
The fog lights, they look good. Especially with the pink just on the front, eh?
Yeah, that's awesome. My partner, she's already seen it and she loves it already. Was she better? No, I'm kidding. It needed it, that's for sure. And it needs these wheels, especially with these wide guards.
It just sets it off. It just looks different. It's unique. It's out there.
Oh yeah, 100% unique. Like around here, I'd say it's up there with one of the cooler ones.
Oh yeah.
You know, I might happen to have the other cooler one. They definitely will look the part when they're out and about together.
I'm excited to just see them both out and about together.
Yeah. That might be tonight. We'll see. But it drives so well. I never really get to drive this AE because MJ's always driving it.
Yeah.
And when you jump in it, it's a bit of a treat. You know, it's got no power, and it just putts around, and people love it.
It's that old school vibe. It smells like an old school car.
It does, eh?
Everything's just immaculate in the interior, like factory blue interior. I love it.
Yeah, it's very clean, especially uncracked dash nowadays.
I know.
Yeah.
Hard to find one of those around.
Well, yeah, I'd probably say that was another successful day.
Yeah, got a lot done.
Yeah.
Well, what we needed to achieve and actually achieved it today.
Yeah. Fog lights tick.
Wheels tick.
Wheels tick. Yeah. guard rub,
Tick.
work on that before I tick that box. Yeah. But no, I think it was a good day.
Yeah, everything came out really well. Wiring went with a small hitch, but
Yeah, it's funny how that same issue was the issue we had the first time. You think we'd have learnt, but I don't know.
no, because the issue last time was that it wasn't grounding correctly to where we wanted to ground. Whereas this time the issue was someone had sprayed over where we needed to have direct contact to metal.
Don't you just hate when that Mr. Nobody does stuff? Like, and you can never pin him down. But
Yeah,
anyway,
if only I could find out who that person was, eh?
if I ever see him, I'll pass it on.
Sweet, good to know.
But until then, just be careful you spray paint. Oh well. So that brings us to the end of this
Yeah,
episode. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Yeah, the comments are awesome. So yeah, keep it up.
every bit helps, I guess. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, and I'd just like to, give back if someone's got a question about something. And yeah. So thanks again, guys.
Sweet.
Sorted. All right. Cheers.
So I want to go straight into the
Oh,
fog
yeah.
of the car.
Yeah.
But then you need to stop me before I get there.
Yeah, obviously. Okay, you
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah,
Same
go.
about same speed?
Yeah. A little bit before.
Ah, you're right. You can cut that, can't you?